Rome vlog day
one.
uno. Will is the epitome of how we feel right now.
I'm tired.
We're so tired. Like, after yesterday, if you watched our Florence vlog, which was like Florence, Rome, and Venice, basically we ended up in all three of the cities, but majorly focusing on what we did in Florence.
And the gondola.
Yeah, it was a crazy day yesterday.
Link down below.
We had a really good day, but like,
Great day.
as you mentioned, it just wipes you out a bit, traveling around and walking a lot in the heat and trying.
I think producing that much sweat.
I think it's just trying to take care of your body, yeah, because your body needs water, staying hydrated. Anyways, we're doing really well with like drinking our water and like eating fruits and vegetables when we can and stuff, but I think...
You haven't had many veggies.
I've had fruit, but I don't know about vegetables, honestly.
Had fruit, not many veggies.
So you might need to be more intentional. And the thing is, we're in Italy for such a long time, like we can chill out with the pizza and the
What, you
and
mean
the
we
pasta.
can eat more of it?
And I mean, we actually can mix up what we eat. Like, there's not this pressure like we're leaving tomorrow,
Yeah.
but somehow we just keep eating on carbs. Anyway, so we made it to Rome last night. We were like, I think we got here around a little bit before 11, but not really in our room until like about 11 p.m. Went to bed around
Maybe
12.
later.
Yeah, just had breakfast.
Breakfast was great though.
Breakfast doesn't end until 10:30, which is great. So we literally went out like 10:15, grabbed our stuff, and then just chilled. I'm on my second cappuccino, so cheers. And we're gonna take today pretty easy. Like, we obviously aren't just gonna stay in the hotel room because lame, but like we can't do that when we're in Rome. You can't just stay in your hotel room. Although our hotel room is actually really nice. As we said, like when we book places, you don't really know what you're gonna get. Like, unless you're booking like the best of the best.
Yeah.
Which we're not. We're kind of taking a gamble. You're like, it looks good, the reviews are good, some of them are, some of them aren't. Like, you're kind of just figuring out. But it's great. It has air conditioning, which is wonderful, so you can cool off during the day if you need to. Great bathroom, comfy bed. It's obviously a bit of a mess now, but the bathroom's over there. It's got another spare bed over there. It's got some beautiful windows, which I showed you guys the view, I think, in the beginning of this vlog. A desk where I'll get ready. A wonderful bed. Like, couldn't be more perfect for us, really, for what we need. So, but yeah, we will go out and do something today. We just are going to take it easy this morning. I'm going to wash my hair and actually use a new color depositing mask. So stay tuned for that, because I put on my TikTok basically being like, I want like a darker auburny color, which will have already faded a little bit because I've washed it and been in the sun. But how do I upkeep a darker auburn hair color? Because I knew I'd be traveling for 6 weeks, and I was like, I don't want my hair color to like completely fade if possible. So brand sent me something, so I'm excited to try it. So stay tuned for that, because we're gonna do that today. Yeah, we're just gonna take it easy, and then we will catch up with you when we are doing something a little bit more exciting, which we will be at some point. So
Probably about
that
7
situation.
seconds time.
Just enjoying the view outside of our little room. I am in the bathroom about to use the color depositing conditioner on my hair. So when I posted about asking if anyone had any recommendations for a new one, since I went a darker color and there wasn't as much copper anymore, more of a darker auburn, Will's literally falling asleep listening to me. It's just so boring.
So boring.
This brand called DP Hue, let me show you them, DM'd me on Instagram and were like, we would love for you to try some, we can send them to you, which was really, really thoughtful of them. So I've never tried their stuff before, but I've seen it online and it looks amazing. So this is not hair color, it doesn't have peroxide or ammonia in it. It is simply just like a color depositing conditioner for extra shine, adding that like depth of color. It doesn't cover gray or anything like that. So it's basically just like a gloss for in between hair appointments, which is great. I believe these are about $35 or $36 each. So that is the price point for these, and they sent me 2 shades. So based on what they thought would be good for my hair, their team, after looking at pictures of my hair, said that they thought the strawberry, which is this, would be the best, but they knew that I was going darker and was darker, and so they sent me the auburn as well, which they recommended a 4-to-1 ratio, 4 being the strawberry and 1 being the auburn. I have a feeling that auburn is pretty dark, and so they probably want me to proceed with caution so that my hair doesn't maybe go too dark, but I'm gonna mix these 2 today because I think the mix of these will make like my perfect type of shade I'm looking for. I'll insert a video from my iPhone of my hair right now. I forgot to take one on the camera, but I did take one on my phone. So you can see that now, but my hair isn't super faded. It still looks really good, but I just can't wait any longer to try these. I'm really excited, and you guys have been asking on TikTok and stuff as well. So we're gonna test these out. Basically, I'm gonna mix the 2 of these just into a glass, a drinking glass that was at our hotel, and I'm gonna apply it with my hands. Recommend to use gloves. It probably will stain my hands, but I like literally traveling. I don't have anything, so I'm just gonna use my hands. And we will let it sit probably for about 5 to 7 minutes. I also recommend always doing a test strand. I'm just gonna go for it today, but do a test strand, make sure if you're allergic, or get your perfect shape before you do your whole head is always recommended. So we're gonna do this and mix it up, and we'll see what the results are. I'm just like so excited. I'm so ready to have my hue, my vibrance a bit more back and a bit darker as well. Out for the day. I wanted to show you my finished hair results. I don't know if it looks that much different, but probably, well, it's just here, because I potentially need to use more of the darker. I think it looks really pretty and like really, like there's more depth to my color. I wouldn't say my hair is like overly like more red or orange, which is actually a really good thing. So I really like it. I think next time I would add even more of the darker auburn. But this is why it's fun to play around. But I feel like my hair color does just look more vibrant and, like I said, more depth. Because sometimes when you used to be blonde and you're red, like your hair can just feel kind of hollow looking, and I actually really love it. So we're just getting ready to go. Don't really know what we're doing, but this is what I'm wearing. Just this cute little thrifted like vest type of top, this little black skirt, and then my loafers, which I've been loving, and my little Coach bag. So something super simple. It's really hot today, so I'm sure my hair will end up being up, so I didn't really want to do it too much to it or apply too much heat. So yeah, we're good to go. Catch up with you guys in a little bit.
I've had a hectic morning. Whilst Annabelle was colouring her hair,
They've seen.
I took a nap. Wait, have they seen?
Oh yeah.
Anyway, I had a great nap. I borrowed Annabelle's eye mask.
It's quality content.
And it was brilliant. It's probably, I don't know, maybe like a 15-minute nap. It was great. Then did some of our washing, just a bit of laundry, had a shower, had a shave. Apparently someone asked if I'm growing out my beard. The answer is no, although if this video gets 10,000 likes, then I will. Right, babe?
No, nobody like it. I don't like Will's facial hair.
I grew out my facial hair, and I think it was pretty glorious.
Will, you can express yourself however you would like, but I just think you look so great now. You can. I express
Thanks,
myself.
babe.
I express myself with my hair in lots of ways. So
So why can't I express myself?
You can. You can. I think we should we insert a photo of when you grow out your beard?
Yeah, I'll insert a photo here of my beard.
Which is, I think that's what
Yeah, it goes ginger, which is glorious. Matches your red hair.
Yeah, we would like brothers
Boom.
or lovers.
Brothers or lovers. Siblings or dating. Right. We'll keep you posted. It's hot. It's very hot. Yeah, embrace eating vegetables in different
I actually
ways.
do need to eat vegetables,
That's a
and I need to eat less gluten. So
And then
I
here's
would
my
happily get
vegetable
pizza,
pizza.
but I gotta. We finished our lunch, had some intense chats, didn't we?
Whoop whoop.
Annabelle's a Enneagram 8, in case you're curious. And yes, I do love an Enneagram, which means I'm a passionate, powerful person with a streak for justice. So sometimes Will and I have some intense conversations and he just smiles and nods, yeah?
That's right, babe. That's right.
Tell me what goes through your head when I talk passionately. Sorry. When I talk about things that I
My
care
main
about.
thought is whether I should captain Haaland this week on fantasy
Oh
football.
my gosh, that is
or
literally the epitome of
if-
us right there.
So yeah.
Oh, and
Quite concerning.
let me say or if, and then there's just nothing else.
No, that's about it.
It's just fantasy football. Those girls who know the struggle of when your man And a super bowl is just all that consumes your brain. Okay, so this is cute. Basically Rome's Gorge. Are we surprised? No. We are walking to
the Spanish Steps.
Very excited. It's hot, but we're in the shade right now. So that's
right
nice.
here, I think.
So we're walking to the Spanish Steps, and then I don't really know what else we're doing. Where are these them?
We're doing the Piazza Popola afterwards. Piazza Popola, I think. Piola? Popola?
So yeah, that's all that's happening. So we'll let you know how we get on.
Everyone's gonna love this.
Whoa. Whoa. Stop.
Cheers.
Oh my gosh. Will ran out of water from his 2-liter water bottle, and he was complaining and was feeling frustrated, and we literally just stumbled across a little free water station. Praise God.
5 hours later.
Never ends.
This is amazing. We're back. Back in action now. We can do anything.
Hey yo, we're terrible, but...
Coming out of McDonald's. On the marble floor.
Just borrowed some glasses from the bar for our Prosecco in our fridge.
Or should we put the chips in them?
No, I just thought might as well ask. Usually they don't care, it's if you break them is an issue, so...
Just don't break them.
Gonna stay though.
I don't know. What, stain them?
Stay.
Oh, well, we'll find out. These, we don't really want to try the vlog those,
Oh, my underwear.
let's just say they're quite lightweight. Shall I hang another pair of my boxes from that?
No.
Or is that a bit too high risk?
That might be too high risk. Trying to do laundry, guys. This is some...
That, I think, we'll have to do.
Okay. Will and I were just talking about this time in England a couple months ago, and it was freezing. We did an Italian themed night with but I put this thing on the TV that was this Italian restaurant night, ambiance music. So it was music but mixed with sounds, so clinking glasses, popping bottles. Anyways, and we realized literally outside of our windows right now, we literally have that ambiance sound because we're right above a bunch of restaurants, and it's just literally perfect. And I'm trying to open this Prosecco. We got this on our train last night.
Well, it might.
Didn't end up drinking it, so we're gonna have some now.
Cheers.
All right, you guys, that is the end of Rome day 1. As I said, it's a bit more of a casual vlog. We didn't really get up to too much today because we were honestly a little bit in recovery. Will slept half the day.
Yeah.
So, but I hope you enjoyed just that little hair info that I shared with you guys. My hair, actually, I love the guy. You can't tell right now because lighting. Color actually turned out so pretty, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, this evening we literally just chilled. We got some McDonald's you saw. We just actually also ate salads because we bought some salads and had some Prosecco. We've been watching that TV show Echoes again and just kind of chilling because tomorrow we are getting up at 5:30 a.m. to go to the Trevi Fountain, so you're going to want to see the next vlog. We want to get there when not a lot of other people are there, which kind of worry that everybody's going to have the same ideas and there will be people, but TBD. So come along to the next vlog for that ride. Tomorrow's going to be a really fun day. You won't want to miss tomorrow. I hope you guys are enjoying these basically daily vlogs. If you haven't already, I'm also posting so much on my Instagram and my TikTok. Actually, on Instagram, we just this morning hit 10,000 followers, which for me is crazy because Instagram is never had any followers on there. So randomly, I have a little 10,000 friends on there. So if you'd like to be friends on Instagram, please follow me. I'm always checking my DMs and interacting with you guys and posting reels and different things like that. And you can kind of see a bit more of our time while we're traveling and just kind of want to get up to my day and get to know me a bit better. And then follow me on TikTok too if you would like. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!